What if you want to know the price of two objects with just the total? It's very easy.
Read the word problem and analyze it.
Get an idea of who are the characters.
So let's read our problem. Tyrell and Dahlia bought some pens and pencils. Tyrell bought 4 pens and 5 pencils, which cost him $6.71. Dahlia bought 5 pens and 3 pencils, which cost her $7.12. Let an equal the price of a pen. Let B equal the price of a pencil. A. Write an equation that relates the numbers of pens and pencils. Tyrell bought to the amount he paid. B. Write an equation that relates the number of pens and pencils Dahlia bought to the amount she paid for them. C. Solve the system you wrote for parts A and B to find the price of a pen and price of pens.
Tyrell and Dahlia are our characters. They bought pens and pencils.
Tyler bought 4 pens and 3 pencils.
Dahlia bought 5 pens and 3 pencils.
Label pens A. Label pencils B.
Create your problem.
We know A plus B equals a total, so plug in what we know.
Tyrell 4A plus 5B equals 6.71, and Dahlia 5A plus 3B equals 7.12.
If you don't remember what the amount of pencils and pen each of our characters bought, go back to your problem and double check.
4A plus 5B equals 6.71. You have to multiply times 3
in the first equation so you can get a common variable so you can start the process of elimination. So remember, if you multiply the total number by 3, you will multiply the second and the first variable by 3 as well. For the second equation, you're going to multiply by 5. You're going to multiply the total, the second variable, and the first variable so you can get a common equation.
The total for the first equation will be 6.71 times 3 equals 20.13. 5b times 3 equals 15b. And 4a times 3 equals 12a.
For the second equation, you would get 5 times 5 equals negative 25a. 3 times 5 equals 15, and 7.12 times 5 equals 35.60.
12a plus 15b equals 20.13. And negative 25a plus 15b equals 35.60.
15 minus 15 cancels out. That's why you draw an arrow on top of those answers
and count them out. 12a minus 25a will equal negative 13a. And 20.13 and 35.60 will equal negative 15.47.
Now we will proceed to do a regular river problem. You would divide negative 13a by itself, which would disappear, and then do the same with the total. So you would do negative 15.47 divided by negative 13. That would get you to a total of
a equals 1.19. For getting the answer for B, you will now have to substitute the total amount of A for A.
So, the equation would look somehow like this. 4 times 1.9 plus 5b equals 6.71. And the second equation would be
7.6 plus 5b equals 6.71. Now, you will also start somehow a river problem. You will subtract 7.6 from 7.6 and that you will cross it out. So it will look like 5b equals 6.71 minus 7.6.
So 5b equals 6.71 minus 7.76. So now to get the total amount, we will subtract 5 from everything else in the problem. We will get to a total amount of b equals 1.342 minus 1.52.
You will simplify it, which will get you b equals negative 0.178. Your cost of pencils is negative 0.178.
And the cost of pens would be 1.19. And that's it. You have solved the problem.
Woo! Common mistakes.
You may forget to find a common variable.
Done.